Hey guys, it's Kendall. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I've been in and out of network marketing, internet marketing, affiliate marketing for the past 5, 6 years now. And before, I was never able to really get into whatever I was promoting. What I was promoting, it either was not of much interest to me or not much interest to others that I was promoting and finding. And a lot of it was didn't have all the tools that I needed to help me succeed. And then just this past 2013, I stumbled upon something that was just incredible. It had everything that I needed. It had a great marketing. Before, I wasn't able to have the time. I was working a full-time job. I would come home, didn't have time to do anything else. I was making my own capture pages, which that was taking hours upon days, and then uploading it. Then I came upon this great opportunity. It's a complete marketing suite. You don't have to. You can make your own capture page within like 3 or 4 minutes now. So I've been making capture pages almost every day with different products, different ways to test, see which one converts better. So I suggest that you take this time to just enter your information right across from me, and you'll be able to see the marketing tool that I'm using. It's great. You can do the free system, which you'll never have to pay anything. You can also do there's a 7-day free trial that you can also do. So I highly recommend this product. It's the best thing that I've done in business, and after just not even a week, I was seeing email opt-ins coming in my email box almost every day. It's a great opportunity, great marketing suite. You just have to try it out yourself. Just enter your information and get started today. All right, I'll talk to you later.